Hello friends! Welcome to Russian Icebreakers channel. My name is Katya. In this video, you're gonna learn some useful Russian expressions, greetings, and how to ask somebody's name. If you're interested, please subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram, like this video, and keep watching. Greetings. Привет. Привет is used when we see friends or in informal situations with family members. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. This is a rather challenging word. The first V is silent. We don't pronounce it. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте is used in formal situations with people who are older than you or when you're trying to be extra polite. Доброе утро. Добрый день. Добрый вечер. Now how to say goodbye. Пока. Пока is more informal and we use it with friends, family. До свидания. До свидания is used in more formal situations. It translates as until I see you. До свидания. Or until our next date. Another one, rather neutral, could be used in formal and informal situations. До встречи, which also translates until next time I meet you. До встречи. Как тебя зовут? What's your name? Как, how. Тебя is another case of you, ты. Зовут, called. So the literal translation would be how are you called? Or what's your name? Как тебя зовут? Меня зовут Katya. Меня is a different case of я, а тебя. We talked about this a little bit in our first sentence video. We will link it down below. Is used in reverse questions. Now I asked you, как тебя зовут? And when I ask you the same question, but I don't want to repeat it, I would use тебя and you. А тебя? Как дела? How are you? Or как твои дела? Дела, the literal translation is things or errands, or basically it means how are your things, but it means how are you. Как твои дела? Or как ваши дела? Как ваши дела is a more formal question. You would use it with people that you don't know very well. Possible answers. Хорошо. Плохо. Неплохо. Нормально. Отлично. Other useful phrases. Извини. Or in formal situations, извините. Спасибо. Приятно познакомиться. Welcome, Seva. Alright, we're gonna practice some simple dialects. Привет.
Привет.
Как тебя зовут?
Меня зовут Сева, а тебя?
Меня зовут Катя.
Очень приятно.
Приятно познакомиться. Привет, Seva. Как дела?
Привет, Катя. Все хорошо. А как у тебя?
Нормально. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram, and like this video, comment, and until next time,
Пока-пока!